most small business owners get this wrong. They assume free accounting software means low quality, or missing features. So they either avoid it completely or jump into paid tools too early, and burn money before they even need to. Here's the truth no one tells you. Free accounting software today is powerful enough for many small businesses to run day-to-day operations without paying anything. The real challenge is choosing the right one that fits your stage of business. And in this video, you'll understand the best free options for 2026, so you can stay organized without spending a dollar. Let's start with Wave. This is one of the most popular free accounting tools for small businesses. It lets you send invoices, track expenses, and manage basic bookkeeping easily. If you are like Jake, who just started a freelance design business, Wave is often more than enough. But here's the problem. It has limited advanced features, especially for growing teams or complex reporting. Now here's where it gets interesting. Zoho Books offers a free plan for very small businesses in certain regions. It gives you automation, invoicing, and expense tracking in a more structured system. The interface feels more professional than most free tools, which helps when your business starts growing. Next is ZipBooks. This is another strong free option that focuses on simplicity. It gives you basic accounting, smart reports, and easy invoicing. It is ideal if you want something clean without too many settings to figure out. But it does have limitations when you need payroll or advanced tax tools. Now let's talk about Odoo Accounting. This one is different, because it is part of a larger business system. The accounting module itself can be used for free in some setups. It is powerful, but here's the catch. It can feel complex if you are not familiar with business software ecosystems. Now here's a key insight most beginners miss. Free tools are not just about saving money. They are about learning how your business finances work before upgrading to advanced systems like QuickBooks or Xero. For very early stage businesses, Wave is usually the easiest starting point. For slightly more structured growth, Zoho Books or ZipBooks can be better. And for businesses that want scalability inside a bigger system, Odoo becomes an option. The important takeaway is this. Don't overcomplicate accounting in the beginning. Focus on tracking income, expenses, and invoices clearly. That alone puts you ahead of most small business owners. To wrap it up, free accounting software in 2026 is more capable than ever. You just need to choose based on simplicity, structure, and future growth. If this helped you understand your options, like the video, comment your business type, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns that help you run your business smarter.